If you want to ask who is this or what is this in Turkish, or if you want to answer it, this is Adam or this is book. Let's learn those words immediately and practice together. Bu. Bu means this, used for a person or thing. Şu. Şu means that for a person or thing. O. O means that, used to point to something far away. Bu. Bu. Şu. Şu. O. O. Ne. Ne means what. Kim. Kim means who. Let's repeat together the words. Bu. Bu means this. Şu. Şu means that. O. O means also that. Ne. Ne means what. Kim. Kim means who. Now let's ask something and answer it. What is this? Bu ne? Bu ne? This is book. Bu kitap. Bu kitap. What is that? Şu ne? Şu ne? That is armchair. Şu koltuk. Şu koltuk. What is that? O ne? O ne? That is bed. O yatak. O yatak. You can learn frequently used noun words by clicking the link in the description. Okay, now how did you say who is this or who is that in Turkish? Who is this is bu kim? Bu kim? Bu kim? This is Adam. Bu Adam. Bu Adam. Bu Adam. Who is that? Is Şu kim? Şu kim? That is Ali. Şu Ali. Şu Ali. Who is that? O kim? O kim? O kim? That's Fatma. O Fatma. O Fatma. Of course, you can say the person or thing directly without adding this or that. I think you will not have any problems with this again. If you want to learn words and make sentences on your own, you can watch that video here. See you in another video.